students at Azim Premji University protested against the Citizenship Amendment Act on the campus premises on March 13th. The controversial act, implemented by the government on March 11th, has sparked nationwide protest. CAA is criticized for being discriminatory against Muslims and granting citizenship based on religious bias. The CAA grants Indian citizenship to Hindus, Parsis, Sikhs, Buddhists, Jains, or Christians from neighbouring Muslim majority countries like Afghanistan, Bangladesh, and Pakistan who entered India before December 31, 2014, citing religious persecution. The protests echo sentiments from widespread demonstrations in 2020, which were subdued due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Despite the government's assertion that the CAA is meant to grant citizenship and assist minorities facing persecution in Muslim majority nations, critics say that this is fundamentally biased. The government refutes claims of anti-Muslim sentiment. What do you think about it? Let us know in the comments below. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salah Digital for more such updates.